Meaning of Humvee.
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 Humvee. Humvee is a military vehicle used by the United States Armed Forces. The name Humvee is an acronym that stands for High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle. It was designed to replace the older Jeeps and other light tactical vehicles in the U.S. military. The Humvee features advanced armor and powerful engines that allow it to traverse rough terrain and withstand heavy enemy fire. It is widely used by the U.S. Army and Marine Corps, as well as other militaries around the world. The Humvee has become an iconic symbol of modern military power and capability.